So here's this little anvil. It's the last thing I'm doing. I've got a piece of felt and I have painted it with contact cement, and I also have coated the bottom of the anvil with contact cement so I can put this piece of felt on it. So here goes. So you put the contact cement on and you wait until it dries pretty much. I mean, I don't mean wait until tomorrow, but depending on the temperature, if you have wet spots, it won't stick good, and if it's really wanting to hold it, it'll come off. So there it is. Little shop-made anvil. Some guy cut this out of a piece of rail for a, it looks like train track, but it's too small a gauge for that, so it's something else. But this guy took a torch, an oxyacetylene torch, and torched it all out. And of course, you saw the video, I went through and cleaned all it up and dressed it. I actually tapered this guy a lot better than the original one because I want to use it for having a little point out here where I can maybe get something in there and work it. Very nice. It was my father-in-law's, and now it's passed on to me, and someday it'll be his grandson's. Nice.